Okay, awesome. So group quiz.
Is everyone getting sick like me?
Oh, I'm getting
Sounds
over being
like
sick.
it.
Jeez. Good old fall. Everyone gets sick.
I know. It's terrible.
So start on number 3. Just let me know when you guys are ready.
Okay, almost there.
Okay,
Okay.
I'm good whenever you guys are.
Okay, number 3.
Okay. So for the margin of error, you do z times the square root of n.
Yeah.
And the z for 90% is 645.
Yeah.
So plug that in.
What'd you get, John?
Sorry, I'm slow this morning. Still working on it.
Okay.
And 50 and 25. Wait, am I using the wrong formula? So, sorry, the formula again. It's we're looking for.
Just the margin of error.
We're looking for m number. I think I have the wrong formula for this. So I have n equals z times the standard deviation over m.
Root of n.
Oh, square root of n.
Well, but that one's not the right one for this one, because that equation is to find the sample size.
Okay, what's the formula for this one again?
So this one is just going to be 1.645, the z-score for 90%, multiplied by the standard deviation divided by the square root of 25, or the sample size. So it would be 1.645 times 50 over the square root of 25 in this question.
Which equals m, which is the margin of error.
Yeah. Me personally, I find it easier to do the standard deviation divided by the square root of n first, and then I multiply it by the z-score.
Gotcha. So, because I did this a couple days ago, so I'm like, that's like the bad part about trying to get ahead in your classes is then you're like trying to think back. You're like, wait a minute.
I get that.
So I got 16.45.
Yes, that's what I got as well.
All right, I'm getting there. Sorry.
No, it's okay. That's why we have these group chats.
Okay, so yeah, 16.45.
Yeah, and it says round to 3 decimal places, so I just added on a 0. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Just because it asked for it. So.
Okay.
Okay. So question 4. So,
I wasn't completely sure on this one, but I'm pretty sure it's U as a point estimator of X.
yeah,
Mm.
I don't know because so I was like going through the group quiz before and I submitted it because I had 2 chances, and
Uh-huh.
that is not correct because that's what I put as well.
Really? X
Yeah.
bar
Really?
estimator for you?
Oh, the one I put first was U is a point estimator of X. So then I was like, oh, it has to be the X bar is a point estimator of U then.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you guys said the opposite one. I'm sorry.
No, that's what I thought. I thought it was the opposite one. So I'm glad that you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just this week finally understood the population in the sample.
Oh.
It's like such a weird concept when I don't know, I'm not a very visual like learner, and so when it's really abstract, I struggle. So, but I got it now.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, so question 5.
Confidence.
But that's confusing because is it looking for you right now?
So, from what I understand, the X bar equals U most of the time. So in this one, I put 526 because that's the X bar number.
Point estimate of it.
Yeah, because they are the same, so I guess it.
Yeah, I don't know. But then, okay, I really should have waited, but I just got anxious to take the quiz. I don't know why. Anyway, but later down, question 11, or no, sorry, question 12, they kind of confuse me because there's a U and an X bar. So, and they're different numbers. Anyway, sorry, I don't mean to confuse you early on. But
well, this one's
Okay.
526. We'll go from there.
yes, this one is 526. Okay, and then question 6.
95%.
Margin of error for 95% confidence interval. Okay.
Yeah, so that's the one we just, we
Yep,
just
so
did the
you do
equation, yeah.
1.96
1.96, and then
times the standard deviation over the square root of n, which is 113 64.
64. Okay, so I got 27.685.
Yep,
That's what
that's what I got.
too.
Sweet.
Yay. And then you just subtract it from 526.
It's 498.315.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Upper.
Then you add it.
Mm-hmm. And for the upper one, I got 553.685.
That's what I just got too.
Increase the sample size. So if you increase the sample size, the
Confidence interval gets smaller.
Mm-hmm.
the confidence.
Decreases.
I thought it went up.
So
No,
then,
it gets more narrowed.
Right.
yeah, because that
Right.
one is the opposite. But then if you change like the confidence level, if you increase the confidence level, then that is when it increases as well. So that's number 10.
So 9 is decrease and 10 is increase.
Yes.
Okay.
The width.
And so for 11, John, this is where you use that equation you were first talking about.
Okay. So for 9, maybe I'm looking at this backwards. What would happen to the width of confidence? The width would go down if the sample size increased. Why is 10? What happened to the width? If you use 99, wouldn't that still decrease the?
That would increase.
Well, if you think
it.
of on the bell curve, if you use a 99%, then you're going one standard deviation farther, so it's getting bigger.
Oh, okay. I gotcha.
This one's decrease.
Okay.
Try to solve for the sample size.
Yeah.
95%.
Woo. Okay.
Times. Divide.
This is. What was the for 95? What's the z-score?
1.96.
1.96.
Deviation 400. And then m. Missing. What sample size do they use?
So you have to do the equation where n equals the z-score times standard deviation divided by m squared.
What's what's m in this equation then?
So M is for
The
margin of error. Yeah.
Oh, margin of 50. Okay. So I got 246.
Yes, that's what I got.
Yep, me too.
And is it you ran round up, right?
246, yep.
What is the lower limit? We're using that first formula.
Well,
Yeah,
so yeah,
so we have
so
to
this
do-
one, yeah, you just go through it with the
confidence
first
interval.
formula. But I
You have to do
use
the margin of error first.
yeah. But I used the X bar. I didn't use the 100,000. I used 111,000.
Is that right?
So that's why I don't kind of yeah, it was right. I just don't understand why. I don't know. So
The formula to use the X bar, right?
yeah. Well, that makes sense. Yeah, I don't know, but it was right. So
Hey, as long as it's right.
Okay.
yeah.
The level of significance is 0.05.
So that's like extra information. Like that's like maybe he's trying to review from the last lesson, but you don't even use that at all. You just go through the
Okay.
same process we've been going through.
Okay.
So, and I guess you're still adding in and subtracting from the X bar.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know if I got this right or not. Me. Um,
Okay.
So I got.
I got.
Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead. 909,002.
Because you round
Yeah,
up.
that's right.
Here's the whole number. And then for the upper one, 122,999.
I got 98.
Do you round up still?
Yeah, you always round up.
I would have to go through it again. But this is good. Double checking.
I'm pretty sure you round up. I'm not positive.
Oh, whoopsies.
I got 99. Yeah.
96 plus 11. Okay, so the answer I got is 122,998.4.
Yep, so we have to go up to 999.
Yeah, and then
Oh,
no matter what.
no, I think you guys are, because, I mean,
Different section.
the one where you round up, even if you don't, like, is for the sample size, but everything else should be rounded normally.
For the sample.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Because, and I don't know why it does
That's
that, but like
true.
for number 11, it gives that example of like 101.2, but then you still round to 102, but it's only for the sample size questions.
Okay.
But
Yeah, like
I
number
did
everything
write that
else should
down.
be normal.
number 12 is like that.
So-
Yeah, so number 12 should be, I still got 99,002
Yeah.
rounding normally, and then for 13 I got the 122,998.
Right. Oh,
Okay.
I'm sorry, not number 90. Or no, yeah. So for number 12, even if it was like 99,002.1 or 99,001.1, you'd round to 2.
No, not in this one.
Not in this one. So which one is like that?
That is just when it asks you for what sample size you need. And again, I don't know why, like I didn't understand that, but that's like the only question that you should do that for.
Okay.
N. Yeah.
Yeah, and I've done the homework already too, and it has like a couple of those questions, but you only round up on those questions when it asks what sample size.
Okay.
And it'll show you that same example, like if you get 101.2, round to 102, like it gives you the same example.
3 requirements. Oh, is that a real question, number 14?
Well, it's all of the above.
It has to be all the above, right? It's asking
Yeah.
what to create. No matter what, it would have to be that one. Right?
Yes, well, and it is correct too, so
It's kind of a funny question.
it's a weird way to ask the question.
Which one of the 3 are correct? Or check all 3 that are correct. That's funny.
Okay.
All right, should we submit it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going for it.
Oh,
Woo!
or I missed something.
I got 100%.
5 points on number 12 and 13.
So what'd you put for them?
I put 90,002 and then 122,998.
Did you put commas? Because that's the only, because I have those answers and they're right on mine, but I put commas.
Maybe because there are commas, yeah.
Well, I did put commas and I got it right.
Okay.
99,002 for
Yeah.
12. And then, I don't know then because I got that right.
Okay, I'll just email the teacher.
Yeah, that should be right.
Well, cool.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry.
No, not a big deal. It's just weird. I wonder.
All right.
No, I was about to say because I think I copied that from Excel, but even copying from Excel, there's no shouldn't have a difference. None of them here is holding.
Yeah, I don't know why. That's weird.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
we'll have to figure it out. Awesome. Well, that was good.
Yes, thank you. We'll see you on Thursday.
All right. See ya.
Yeah.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.